So, we're heading to Bugis for today. Then, pupunta nga kami dun sa spiral stairs. And, we're gonna go to Fort Canning. Tama. Thank you, sis. And that's my sissy. So, bye-bye. Guys, so press release lang po tayo with
Diretso, di ba? Asa na si ate?
tawag dito, Singapore. Guys, legit talaga yung lakaran dito kahapon. Parang feeling ko naka 30,000 steps kami going Singapore, going Malaysia, going back to Marina, lahat yon. My gosh, ang galing ng ate ko, pinagsiksik niya talaga para mangayayat ako kasi alam hindi ako nag-jogging and all. But it's worth it. So it's only a disclaimer. Then later on, we're gonna be showing you kung ano yung application na ginagamit namin. Follow namin for us to, you know, go somewhere na hindi kami familiar since we're foreign people dito sa Singapore. So let's go. Here's what we are doing. Actually, we're very late. We're almost 3 p.m. na. Pero nag-reswell talaga kami. Ni Boss Ted.
2:41 na lang.
Yeah. So, that's our OOTD. Then, nasa loob yung amalit. Yeah. Bye. See you later. Ayun na, everyday walking. So, for today, nakailang steps na kami. We'll check it later. Yan, dun pa kami. So, kanto dun. Dun yung train station. So, pero sobrang saya maglakad dito kasi tingnan niyo sobrang lilim. Hindi naman, ngayon maganda yung weather nila. Tsaka, you feel safe. Swiss! Nature na kita. Nila dito mayroong taas pero dito kami sa baba kasi hindi namin alam yung lugar, hindi pa namin kabisado. We're using this app. Check mo. Anong app to? Ginagamit namin. Ayan siya, oh. Ay, anin mo eh. Ayan siya. So, dito kami galing na station. Tapos makikita mo na yung moving forward ng mga station na susunod. So, itong indicator na to, yung blue kung nasa na kami ngayon. Pero dito kami ngayon pupunta sa
Bugis Station Exit.
Bugis Station Exit.
AB. AB.
Diyan kami ngayon. Anong pangalan ng app na ginagamit natin?
City Map.
Ayan, City Mapper. Whenever you gonna visit Singapore, you have to download that app kasi very helpful siya. Kasi lalo na hindi tayo familiar sa area. So, yan, si Boss Dad siyang nagna-navigate. Ako, Disney Princess. So, bye guys! Siglap tayo.
Siglap Station. Laguna Park. Laguna Park.
Maynila pala.
Kanina may ikakot. May mali.
Street nila.
Victoria's Hill.
Malapit na kami kay Boss Keith. Ang ganda ng mga yung red button na yun, ipapress mo pagka. That is Marina Bay Sands. Ayun yung mga, tapos yung Big 3. Ayun yung Big 3. Marina Bay Sands. Yun. Tapos ayun yung sa museum. Na kami ni Boss Ted ng we're going to Bugis na. So tatawid na kami. Hindi ko na ayun yung bus na. Yun sa bus stop na kami guys. So, you have to tap your card, entering, then you have to tap out kasi kung saan kayo bumaba. Para yun yung mag-charge sa inyo. So, ayan si Boss Ted. For the type ang person.
3 minutes. Hindi, within 3 minutes. 175 or
145 to.
7? 7. So, lahat nyo mga 7.
Fort Canning is waving for the walking na 10 minutes. Fort Canning Park. Dito. Twister for the woo! Day 2 is waving. And it's 20 days. Feels like we're like, citizen here. Sis Sis, isang araw pa lang sa Singapore looks like, oh, so nice, oh. Picture tayo dyan.
Taka lang. Go! Tatabi ka dun.
We saw this. Oh, it's so cute. Can you see zoom? So this is from our way to Fort Cantt. And as well, this is a good spot. This is our way going down yung sa famous spiral. So as you can see sa baba, sobrang haba ng pila, guys. So if you wanna go here, you have to be early. So ayun yung mga tao. That's the pila. But guys, it's worth the wait. So ang ganda ng mga picture. Ayan siya, oh, 'di ba? Pack na pack. And this is our way papunta sa train going to Universal Studios. Thanks, boss guys!
Doors are closing.
So we're here at Universal Studios. Sobrang ganda. It's my first time makita ng loob. So I really enjoyed it. More picture, guys. More videos, picture, of course, with my sisters as well. So guys, this is the last stop namin for tonight. This one is Sky Helix. So makikita dito yung 360 degree ng view ng Singapore. So ayan. So nire-risk ko na yung cellphone ko dito, guys, para lang sa views. Pero it's all worth it. So we're gonna ride there. Ayan. So per team kami. Ayan siya. Oh. As you can see, padilim na. This is the best time kasi yung fireworks sa Universal is as well that time bago kami matapos, and as well yung liwanag and yung night mode. So that is the best time for me. I think that's 5 o'clock that you can get, or yung pa 6. So ayan na, enjoy!
35 meters above the ground. How are we feeling? Alright, I did not screaming, that's a start. So anyways, I know some guests find it a bit intimidating. Just look down, you'll see two things, the in and out sign, and the words Singapore's highest open air panoramic ride. Oh, was it scarier than this?
This is scary.
Of course, no, but don't blame me that one's enclosed, this is open air. But you see up here, you can enjoy the view and the breeze better.
Yeah,
Nine
that's
times out of
right.
10, you get a good strong wind no matter how warm it is. So that's it, you guys want. You can enjoy your drinks, enjoy the view, enjoy the breeze, take your pictures. I'll take some with you. Don't worry, I'll put the pictures. Don't worry, does it take better up here? Alright, then you can turn a regular camera first, so that this one, panorama. Alright, 3 of you first, then. 2 and 3 quarters. Hold on, I'm gonna get a good shot in here.
Yeah.
Much better.
Niris ko na yung sarili kong
Alright, panorama in 3, 2. Okay, now we try together with one. Wait a bit.
Sis, I think best light is there. Kaya, about sea level.